Hi guys, Chad.Lanz here with Guaranty RV. We're looking at a 2016 Grand Design Reflection 27 RL today. So we're going to start right in here. The front area prepped for a generator if you'd like to add one. Easier just to get a portable one and use it, carry it there. As we come around to the side, we'll see that we have a 7-gallon propane tank here. Our wet bay right here where we connect everything. Nice plug through the bottom. Self-leveling, auto level there. Our black and gray dumps. 50 amp service. As we come around to the back here, we'll see that we do have a ladder for going up on the roof and a hitch for bicycles or whatnot. And we're going to skip around to the front here. We're going to show you a storage compartment and another propane tank, 7 gallons as well. So you have 2 of those. Nice big storage. All right, now let's take a look inside. And as we come into this trailer here, you'll notice that you have a couch that's a tri-fold, so that folds into a queen bed. Nice dinette tables, fireplace, televator, so that you push a button and TV comes up. Lots of counter space here for activities and such. Nice cutting board slash double sink. And as we come around here, you'll see that you do have a nice big fridge and freezer. Oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, and lots of storage here for all your goodies and all that good stuff. As we come through here, you'll see that we have a walk-through corner bathroom or a shower. Nice queen size walk-around bed. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and contact me. This is Chad.Lanz, Guaranty RV, 702-249-6264. Check me out and check out any of our other stuff online. Give me a call.